end is that other, then there's that second thumb. Okay. And if you compare that to the size of this zone up here, that's a pretty juicy reward to risk proposition here. Okay. So I would be inclined to, and we can just kind of look quickly here. If we look here, we can see there's some trading, but there's some trading above here. Okay. So none of this encroaches on that. So this is an entirely clean, fresh level here. So if we place our lines, okay, let me just fix that line there. So we of course place that we place that where the candle of control is. Okay, and the candle in control, of course, is the candle that trades the highest in this formation, which of course in this case is the base candle. Okay, so we place that at the top of that wick there. Okay, and then the other candle we would place. So this is where the candle in control says you should throw your second line. Okay, which is at the bottom, would place your near line, which is the bottom of that wick here. I'm going to make a small suggestion here. Is and what I'm going to say is this. This is one of those situations right here where you could end up with